Welcome, everybody. Tonight I'll be talking about the future of virtual tax preparation and how to file your taxes online. Okay, you guys, it's a lot going on, with e-commerce and with businesses online. Big changes we know with AI. A virtual business is one that performs all or most of its operations over the internet. With the rise of the virtual workplace, virtual business are taking over and will be the new normal in the new future. So for those of you who haven't got used to e-commerce or doing business online, it's important, especially if you're a tax business, if you have a physical location, to make sure that you have business that able to operate online. And since everything is going that way and AI and everything is going on with virtual now. So I'll be going over some things tonight about BuyGrace Tax Services and how to complete virtual tax prep virtually. Okay, you guys, we know that TurboTax, a lot of you file with TurboTax. The IRS has opened up theirs for people to be able to e-file on their platform on the irs.gov and TaxAct, and a lot of them you're able to do your taxes right from home and on the go. And a lot of virtual tax prep businesses have the virtual apps, you guys, handy for when you're going any place, when you're on vacation and what you're traveling, you'll be able to do your taxes online. And that's what I offer with BuyGrace Tax Services, LLC. If you're on the go of your business, you can do tax preparation with me on the go. Right from the comfort of your own home, upload documents, be able to see all the information, be able to see all the information from the IRS, be able to receive your tax forms directly to you by email with simply doing your taxes virtually. In this tax season, what I'm doing is explaining in more detail for those of you who are not familiar with it. I want you to get familiar with it because, like I said, with AI, with virtual reality, with a lot of people doing business online, that's why most businesses are leaning with doing things online, even if they got a physical location. We know tomorrow, you guys, I'll be opening up for you. You can actually start booking today. For those of you who have all your tax documents, you'll be able to do virtual tax preparation with me by uploading your documents. First of all, the first thing you're going to do is book an appointment. You got to schedule an appointment with me. I got to know who you are, and it will be live. You'll be able to see me just like you're seeing me on this live video. Upload documents right on the live portal. The link that you see below your screen has a lot of information of how to upload documents, schedule appointments, how to contact me, what numbers you need from the IRS. You guys are uploading documents and paying payments for those of you who like to pay up front. Now, the tax refund and payment options, I have direct deposit, the Faster Money Discover prepaid card is going to be able, for those of you who choose it, you don't have to choose the Faster Money prepaid card. It's a tax option, okay, you guys? But if you do select it, you're able to get your refund up to 4 days early. So that's good. You can still select printed check, make a payment, or direct deposit, even though it's virtual, you guys. Pre-season loans also is an option. The advanced loans will not start until the opening of tax season when the IRS announced the opening. Last year, the date was January the 23rd, 2023. I don't know what date it's going to be. The IRS still has not announced the date, but it's probably going to be around the same date. You're looking, if you're filing, you get the earned income tax credits or the different credits that are affected by PATH Act. Last year, go ahead and tell you, it was February the 22nd and the 23rd that people started getting those refunds. However, if you did not have those credits that's not affected by PATH, you got your refund early. So you can use this estimate that I'm giving you tonight to really give you a clear idea of what time that or what day that you may start receiving your tax refund. They're usually about the same thing every year, you guys. Okay, so let me go into something else. If you did not watch this video, you need to go back and watch it, especially those of you who are doing tax preparation on your own. It's important for you to understand and know some, at least some of it. I know you're going to know it all because I'm a tax preparer, and we get the tax law updates every year. But the 2024 tax law update, I received this from my tax software partner that attended the trade show during the summer. So I gave you a lot of information regarding credits and deduction in this video. Now I know it's about 20 minutes long, but it's worth watching, you guys, so you can take advantage of some of those credits that I gave in this video that will help you, okay? Help you get a refund or reduce your tax liability, okay? And that's what you definitely want. All right, make sure if you haven't. Now, another discussion. If you haven't joined my group, Where is my tax refund group on Facebook, make sure you join that group. I'm really building this group up, you guys, to help the ones who have questions about their tax refund and not on the YouTube channel. So for those of you who would like to join, make sure you comment below this video. Also, if you have any questions and comments while I'm doing this video, make sure you drop them. I am streaming live on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, you guys, okay? So if you have any questions and you have any comments, make sure you drop them down, okay? All right. So that's for my Facebook group. All you gotta do is comment, and I'll put the link down in the comments for those of you who want to join as well. All right. Now, for those of you who still owe, let me skip this slide. Don't forget, you guys, for those of you who still owe the IRS and y'all have tax problems, I offer tax resolution, okay? For those of you who have IRS problems, don't forget, besides tax preparation, I offer tax resolution for those of you who have problems and may owe a lot of money with the IRS. I have a team of tax specialists who are ready to assist you this tax season. For those of you who need help, that takes 2 appointments, you guys, okay? Now, I'm gonna have to change it with that. You should see the virtual tax preparation for those who want to do their taxes with me. But tax resolution is on there, but I got a price and I'm gonna take it off. The first appointment will be a consultation, which is free. But if you decide to move forward with the second appointment with a tax specialist, then they'll discuss what you have to pay with it. Just let you guys know. All right. And then again, the refunds are up to $6,000 refund advance loans. I'm starting with the preseason loans. Preseason loans are different than refund advance loans. And you know, that's before the IRS starts officially accepting tax returns. But they do have a tax batch. Last year, By Grace Tax Service was in that test batching, and we got our tax return accepted early. I don't know this year or we are not, but the preseason loans are different. You pay more with the interest with the preseason loans. Now the refund advance loan was still up to $6,000, but up to $1,000, you don't have to pay as much. Okay, you guys. All right, now let me move on to the virtual. Let me move on to the virtual because I want to discuss that before I get started. Share my screen with you guys and discuss detail. Make sure you go back and you watch all this information because I'm sharing a lot. And don't forget also, you guys, I have my channel, By Grace Tax Services LLC, besides this channel that I'll be going live on. Okay, now I'm on by Grace Tax Services LLC, and what I'm gonna do is do this. I'm gonna discuss the steps, you guys, of this again. I did a video on this, but I want you to be clear on it again. Taxes done by Independent Tax Pro. Again, when you click that link, you should be able to receive more information about selecting a virtual tax pro. If you have problems and it's loading slow, you might have to go back in it, but it is loading. Okay, it's loading. You should see my picture load up. I am a tax preparer, ERO, meaning I can e-file tax return, and I do have an MBA. I've been in business. This is my fifth tax season, you guys. And you can see all the information on that site when you scroll down. And also you can see the Facebook group that's on there as well. Now you see 2023, but it's going to be updated to 2024. If you're not sure about doing your taxes, it's time to hire a tax pro. If you have a simple return, I can see it, you doing it yourself. But if you got a complex tax return, it's probably best that you hire a tax pro, especially if you don't know the credits and deductions. With years of experience, we have a passion for helping you get the largest refund you're entitled to or the smallest tax liability. So, scheduled appointment. This is what I want to go right into to show you guys about scheduling appointment. Again, sometimes it loads slow on your phone. It loads fast. But I just want to give you part of the virtual. And then you can go back and watch that video that's on my live videos regarding this. Okay, you guys? So when you go and schedule, I might have to come back out. Let me try it again. Schedule appointment. Sometimes it takes a while to load on the desktop, but when you're on your phone, it's not as difficult. Now it's finally loading, you guys. Okay, once you go there, you should see virtual tax preparation at the top on my services, and then you see a list of other services as well over here as well, you guys. But the virtual tax preparation should be first loading right here. Tax resolution and all the other services be uploaded. Yep, I'll be changing that because the consultation is free for the tax debt resolution. And then if you decide that you want to continue, you're going to have to book an appointment with a tax specialist, okay? And it's going to be cost, okay? I also offer debt help and small business startup, and I have classes and coaching as well. But I just want you to see the virtual tax preparation appointment. It explains in detail here, and you just click book this service. And again, sometimes it takes a while, you guys, to load on y'all end. On the phone, it shouldn't take that long. Okay, and then you see the fourth you got. But you should be able to book your appointment because it's a day ahead, you guys, and book your appointment. Let's just say you'll see a 1 hour, my name, or whoever the tax preparer now here. Let's just say you put 9 a.m., continue. And then you'll be able to confirm booking. You gotta make sure. Let me log out. You gotta make sure that you have all the information you guys filled in, your name and your address and your filing status, whether you're individual or business, on here, you guys. And all the information for you to book appointments with me. Okay. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna scroll down, you guys. You can ask for a refund advance. Display everything. Go to the links, Facebook, LinkedIn, email us. Now, I will be adding a new customer service number on here as well. Also, the information about paying by refund. Then, if you have problems and you don't know how to complete virtual tax preparation, I have a video on here from By Grace Tax Service explain. All you gotta do is hit the play button, and then it'll help you. If you have any questions, concerns, just let me know. Make a payment is here. When you click make a payment, if you're paying up front, or you paying because I told you, if I tell you no, you owe this, you have to pay up front, you guys. If you owe, okay, you have to pay up front. And then when you pay up front, I'll complete and give you a receipt and everything, okay? You pay for virtual tax preparation. Let's just say your taxes is $199. You put in that and you give me notes sent paying for my taxes for 2023. Okay, client information, you put your email, your name, and it has to be in the United States, you guys. The address has to be in the United States. I selected United States, so it has to be United States. Your address, dependent, and client type, okay? And then you're going to put taxpayer is a U.S. citizen. All right. Let's see. Yeah, you're going to scroll down. You can follow us on Facebook. This is regarding By Grace Tax Services LLC, which is my business. Then the IRS numbers to contact. Some of these numbers may have to be updated, you guys. It doesn't mean that every business will be virtual, but mine is. It's better if you have a tax business to add virtual tax preparation on it, you guys, and you'll be able to get more clients, especially clients that are in different states, because I offer 50 states. So a virtual business is one that performs all or most of its operations over the internet, okay? So I wanted to let you guys know that. A virtual business is one that is run primarily online rather than a physical or brick and mortar office. While virtual business operations are mostly conducted online, they can differ in levels of physical operation. To run a virtual business, all you need, I tell tax preparers that are doing virtual, you're going to need internet, you're going to need technology, you're going to need security, different tools. You got to understand technology, have all the tax preparation software, again, security for your business, video conference, live chat, phone answering, social media, instant messaging, cloud computing. You need all these different things and you save on expenses when you have a virtual tax prep business, and it helps those who select virtual tax preparation as well save money and gas. Let's just say that you don't have a car. Not everybody has a car. Some people, they need their taxes done and they need it done from home, or they're traveling. This is a better way on the go to be able to do and get this completed. The IRS numbers were the numbers that were available last tax season. Now, sometimes those numbers are updated, but I'm going to go back and check you guys to see. But those are some of the numbers that were used for these IRS transcripts, Treasury Department, tax offset, IRS number notice, ID verification, and refund last year. So these numbers might be updated because sometimes you call those numbers not working, but I'm hoping that the numbers that I'm actually sharing you are some of the numbers that does actually work. I share every tax season on my YouTube channel when I'm doing a tax refund, I know all last year I gave the refund updates the entire 2020-23 tax season, and I made sure that I gave the numbers to help my clients who needed to contact the IRS, the ones that needed the tax offset, the verify identity. And I'm gonna let you guys know that you probably won't have to verify identity this year. I know I had to do it when I went in there and checked my information as an ERO. I had to verify identity to be able to look at my tax information. So I know a lot of you probably gonna have to do it as well this tax season. So if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop them down in this video. You guys, I am streaming on Facebook at By Grace Tax Services. That's my Facebook page as well. And also on YouTube, you can subscribe to my channels to watch more videos like this. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Also, you can subscribe to By Grace Tax Services LLC channel that's on YouTube as well. I'm on LinkedIn and on Instagram as well, giving you all the updates and informations and the steps on how you can successfully complete virtual tax preparation with me. Again, tomorrow, you guys, it starts. You can start booking. One thing I need to add that I didn't add, once you start booking your appointments, scheduling your appointments, this is what, if you create an account on that portal link, let me put that link back up there in a few minutes. This is what you see on your screen. This is what you're going to be able to see. You're going to be able to see your bookings, your payments, and any documents when you upload it, how much it costs for your tax preparation fees, the contact us, and everything is available on your little portal, on the live portal, you guys. So I wanted you to know that, all the information to contact me. So you go to live.faceta.com/site/bygracetax and schedule an appointment. It's very simple. I guide you through your steps. If you have any questions, all you got to do is reach out and contact me. Email information should be on the live portal. The new telephone number will be on the live portal to contact me with customer service. Also, the email info@bygracetax is the email. And also you can reach me on Dr. Nina Likely, my page, but this will take you to the store. But you can also go to the home page, you guys, as well, to be able to contact me and get any information that you need. Please do not contact me on By Grace Tax Services LLC on the Facebook page. If you have any questions and concerns, make sure you do and drop them in this link. Also, for those of you to reach out and ask how much the tax prep fees, all of that information is discussed during your scheduled tax appointment. I go over everything there as well. Okay. Well, I hope this information helps you, and I pray that you have a great night. Okay. If you have any questions or comment, drop them down in this video. I try to respond as soon as I can. You guys